Prime News tonight. You are the parents. DNA proves baby found in possession of woman at RGD was stolen from Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Police investigate baby stealing racket. Gangsters are back at it in Salt Springs St. James. And stiffer fines for robot taxi operators.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman.
Thank you, Janella. Major tourism investments coming in, a major hotel coming in Trelawney. But how much do these actual investments benefit Jamaica? The Prime Minister addresses that tonight on the business day.
From Herman to Karen Madden.
Hey Archie, well, the big man himself, Christopher Henry Gale, joins 3 other Jamaicans in the Windies ODI squad against England later this month. We'll have all those details later on.
Thank you so much, Karen. There's also sports, commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on prosecuting parents who have lost children in fires as a result of their negligence?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
The news in detail right after this break.